Good morning, welcome back to the channel on a beautiful sunny day. We've been away in Caravan, so we're gonna spend some time this morning giving it a good wash down at storage yard. I've had to fetch all stuff with me from home, so I'll show you what I've got in my boutique car. So as you can see, I've fetched, I took water butts home. I fetched 2 water butts, my bucket, my little cordless pressure washer, brush and ladders, and some Jenny Chem, which we used last time. You might not be able to see, but it's quite mucky actually. So we're back from his trip up north. We've had about 12 days up there, but it hadn't had a wash since beginning of last year, so it's not looking too bad really. Yeah, last time we washed it, we were stored under trees, and there were all tree sap and everything on top of Caravan. It were a nightmare to wash, so I'm hoping it's not going to be as bad this time. So we're well away from trees actually, so hopefully we haven't got any tree residue on the top of the Caravan. We'll have a look when I get ladders out. Right, so I've set the Caravan up so it's slanting down towards back, so water will run off roof. We'll get ladders out now. Take my awning rail protectors out, they're loppy. Right, so last year I used this little Bulla Cordless. So you got your suction pipe there, little filter goes on the end, got a nozzle with different spray patterns on it, and that's your little gun. So we'll set it all up. We've also got a little detergent spray bottle as well. So we'll set it all up, and I've got Jenny Chem Caravan cleaner and super cold wax to try this year. So I've got that as a kit. So we'll get everything out. My shadow's in on the back of the car. So we'll set up and we'll start washing. There we are, that's all set up. I'll not waste my water. No. Right, we'll get my ladder out. Right, so I've got my ladders up now. I'll put some little pipe lagging round ladders just to protect the awning rail and that. So we'll go up and see what top of the Caravan's like. I'm hoping it's not as bad as last year. Wow, I'm amazed. Yeah. To say that's, what's that, 7 months? Yeah. I'm amazed. How clean that is on top. Yeah. I might put a picture in here of what it were like last year. You can see some of them over there. It were worse than them over there. I think more muck we've got is under skylights itself, I think. Especially under solar panel as well. Lots of muck under there. I think we'll have to go around from inside and do that. But I'm happy. It's not as bad as what I thought. Right, we'll get it rinsed off and then give it a wash. I'll change my nozzle angle. Right, I'm going to try the little soap dispenser, see how that works. Yep. I'm hoping I can reach to both sides at Caravan without moving ladder. We'll see how we go. Certainly foams it up not too bad anyway. I need to move further to back. Right, I've moved ladder to back now. Might just have to fill this up a bit more yet. See how we go. Can't believe we've lifted this caravan right up on its front legs and jockey wheel, and it's still not running off back. Must slope in well, this storage yard. It's got to do, hasn't it? This is worst part of caravan cleaning, isn't it? Motorhome cleaning. Do it roof. We'll move further back down at the caravan. It's coming up nicely, that. Not sure how much water it'll take to rinse off though. Right, here we go again. You never get it all off anyway, because it's rinsing it leaves stuff on anyway. How come they always come loose, these? Yeah. Oops, it's come unscrewed. Oh, it hasn't broken it, has it? So that keeps coming unscrewed, that. Time to give it a rinse off. Karen's got to get me a new brush. It fell off and broke brush off end at pole. So I've got to go and get a new brush. So anyway, we'll rinse off. Got that all connected again now. I think next time we need it, we need some blocks under them front legs. Mine jockey wheel's not down to ground, isn't it? Fully extended. So yeah, it's built up in this corner here. Yeah, you know, it's been slightly angled towards, so it's all run under here, all tree debris, right under where it hinges and all. It's very awkward, this. I hate doing roofs of caravans and motorhomes. Especially at age you get in now, it's standing on a ladder too long does your legs in. Right, I'll work his way to back. Right, move towards back now. See how we go. Have to move ladder out to the side. Right, I think that's as clean as I can get it. We're gonna have to do around them on the inside. Yeah, lift them up. That long one is a pain because hinge, it don't lift high enough, does it, to get round bottom of it? Yeah, that skylight. Right, so that's the top clean with the Jenny Chem caravan cleaner. So we need to get a new brush as soon as it fell out my hand and broke the head off. So we'll resume when we get the other brush. Right, so I'm using this kneading bottle. It frosts up well now. Time to start washing that off. You never get rid of that anyway because it comes through.
But you can,
even with
try and get
awning rail protector on it. Need a fresh cloth to clean windows with though.
I need to get some from
Yeah, we'll definitely have to buy another brush. At least I can reach top now. We're getting there slowly. I'm hoping we've got enough water. Should have just a rinse off, I think. Doesn't take as much when you're not doing roof. Right, so it's rinse off time now. Can't see for sun. So that's all washed. It does need another one actually. He did say we're going to cloud over. It's absolutely boiling in that sun, so it's been drying too quick, Caravan. It's looking a lot better. Still needs another rinse off though. Definitely. I've used 80 litres of water anyway because I used both them 40 litre aqua rolls. It's looking a lot better. Yeah, I'm going to get some out of Viewplex too, because he puts a coating on windows as well and protects them, I think, yeah. You see all them circuit, even though we take care, that top is a pain in the backside.
I agree.
Even with ladders.
I agree.
It's looking a lot better now.
It is. That's a bit of a pamper day.
Yeah, pamper day. Yeah, we've still got some dribble marks.
I know, I've just seen.
So we'll take awning rail protectors home and wash them. Yeah, unfortunately, as you can see, you can still see bits that's run down. It's dried too quick in this weather. So that's it. We'll come down again another day when it's not as sunny. So hopefully if this video was any good, it'll be uploaded. So if you see it, it's been alright. If not, you'll never see it again. It's not easy cleaning a caravan and filming at the same time. Right, so if you do watch this video and you see this ending, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye for now. I've still got my last caravan trip to upload yet. From Teesside, Northumberland and North Yorkshire. So we've not been long back off that, so I've got to edit all those. So if you want to keep your eye on the channel, watch out for those videos coming. Bye for now.